This 2025 Keystone Bullet Classic 2840 QBWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a Tranquil Timber interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.